Hello everyone, welcome back to Bun's drawing channel. Guess what animal we're going to draw today? Bun will give you a little hint. It's an animal with a really long neck that loves to eat leaves high up. Who guessed it? Raise your hand. That's right. Today, we're going to draw a really cute giraffe. Before we begin, please prepare your paper and pens to draw with Bun. Let's get started. To draw an adorable giraffe, follow Bun's steps. While you're drawing, Bun will tell you a fun story about a giraffe. Would you like to hear it? So, let's draw and listen to the story together. Once upon a time, in a lush green forest, there lived a little giraffe named Lily. Lily had a very long neck, longer than all the other animals in the forest. But instead of being proud, Lily felt a little sad because she thought she was so different. Whenever her friends played together, Lily would often hear comments like, "Your neck is so long." Although her friends didn't mean to mock her, Lily still felt shy and spoke less. One day, the weather became very dry and hot. The lolling leaves near the ground were gradually being eaten. The rabbits, fawns, and many other animals began to worry because there was no more food. Lily looked around, then looked up. On the high branches, the leaves were still very green and fresh. Lily tried to stretch her neck up and easily reached those leaves. Lily called out, "Friends, come here. I have leaves for you to eat." The other rabbits ran over, surprised to see Lily able to pick leaves from high up. Lily gently picked each leaf and brought them down for everyone. Everyone was happy and enjoyed eating them. One of the rabbits said, "Thank goodness for Lily. Otherwise, we wouldn't know what to do." At that moment, Lily felt very warm and happy. For the first time, she understood that her long neck wasn't something that made her different in a sad way, but rather a special ability to help others. From that day on, Lily became more confident. She was no longer shy, but always happily helped her friends when needed. And Lily also understood that everyone has a unique quality, and if you know how to use it correctly, you can become truly wonderful. Did you enjoy the story Bun just told? If you liked it, don't forget to give Bun a like, so Bun can tell even more interesting stories. Now, let's add some decorations around the picture to make it more lively. Please read the names of the shapes aloud with Bun while we draw.
Circle, circulo, square, quadrado, triangular, triangulo, diamond, rombo, heart shape, forma di corazon, rectangle, rectangulo.
Awesome! We've finished the picture. Have you all finished your pictures? Don't forget to show them to your parents for lots of compliments. Now, let's play a little game. The color selection wheel. Are you ready? If you're ready, let's begin.
Orange, Noranya, orange, Noranya, orange, Noranya, orange, Noranya, orange, Noranya, yellow, Amarillo, yellow, Amarillo, yellow, Amarillo, yellow, Amarillo, yellow, Amarillo, red, Rojo, Rujo. Red. Rujo. Red. Rujo. Red. Rujo. Purple. Purpura. Purple. Purpura. Purple. Purpura. Purple. Purpura. Purple. Purpura. Pink. Rosa. Pink. Rosa. Pink. Rosa. Pink. Rosa. Pink. Rosa. Blue. Azul. Blue. Azul. Blue. Azul. Blue. Azul. Blue. Azul.
So, we've finished coloring. Now, let's count together how many decorations are around our picture. Come on, let's count out loud.
1. And no. 2. Das. 3. Ders. 4. Cuatro. 5. Cinco. 6. Seis.
So, we have all the decorative shapes around us now. I wonder what those shapes are and what colors they are. Let's all read aloud the names of the shapes and their colors together.
Square. Cuadrado. Circle. Circulo. Triangular. Triangulo. Heart shape. Forma di corazon. Rectangle. Rectangulo. Diamond. Rombo. Orange. Naranja. Yellow. Amarillo. Pink. Rosa. Purple. Purpura. Blue. Azul. Red. Rojo.
Great, we finished drawing. How about you? Are you done? Remember to share this picture with your friends, and don't forget to show it to your parents. Goodbye, everyone. This is the finished drawing. Remember to turn on notifications to see more cute drawing videos? Goodbye, everyone. See you in the next video.